Hello everyone, this is Tracer Pixel 128, and today I'm going to show you how to make a custom skin for the Echo Dot. The first thing that you need is an Echo Dot 2nd generation. The 1st generation might not work because it's a little taller. Any color would work, it doesn't matter if it's black or white. A sheet of construction paper, of course any color would work. I chose blue because it's my favorite color. A pen for tracing, some tape. Hi Andromeda. And there's my cat. And any cutting tool would work, such as an X-Acto knife or a pair of safety scissors. And the first thing that you should do, let me move this right here, is to take your sheet of paper and your Echo Dot, place it face down like this. Let me turn it so you can see it. And let me I'll turn it like this, and you should be able to trace it. Let me bring the camera up just a little, face down. And just ignore my mom in the background. Then you need to trace it right here. Just put a line right there. Make sure you don't damage your dot. Yeah, I know it's not perfect. I should have used a ruler, but yeah, that should be good enough. Then you should grab your cutting tool of choice. Put the camera back like this. I'm going to use my X-Acto knife. And if there are any children watching this video, always ask a parent before you start handling sharp objects. If you don't want to use a sharp object like a knife, like an X-Acto knife or a box cutter, you could just use a pair of safety scissors. But for this demonstration, I'm going to use an X-Acto knife. And always cut away from yourself, not towards yourself. It might not be perfect, but... And then you should take the piece of paper and fold it over your dot, like so, and tape it. Don't forget to cut a little hole right here where the ports are. I'm going to tape it right here. And there you go. The custom skin for your Echo Dot is now complete. You need to add tape on the top and the bottom, but there you go. That's how you make a custom skin for your Echo Dot.